Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with the 42 Cosmo Nebula here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little toy. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. If you are in the market for fidget toys, you know what? Check out Fablades.com. Oh, look at that. So this guy is magnetic, of course, and just sticking to the cap of this pretty cool box tin that is coming with. You see a little bit of that padding. 42 Cosmo is a nice brand, actually. They are doing this slider right over here, which I'm going to show you in a second how it works, with a 1-inch width and 1.6 inches for the height and a 0.32 inches for the thickness. You get a very cool slider. I'm just gonna show you another couple sliders here. This is the One Wood design, bulletproof shield, and also armor shield. So we are kind of like in the same realm right there. AC EDC, that's the gamer slider. Another slider that I got here is the Maki, that's the CP2 slider. And you're seeing a bunch of Zirc stuff, right? And this is the Mahjong version 1 from Tommy ADC slider. And other sliders, of course, I've got this fella right over here, Ogdogging's collaboration with Maki, that's the CP3. And that is it, guys. You get the gist of it. If you want to see something tiny, that is, the CP Nano right there. But anyways, we are here with this slider from 42 Cosmo. This is the Nebula. This, I believe, is the Zirc version with some wavy pattern on this side. And, of course, you get the 42 Cosmo Nebula on the other side. It's interesting. It has like 6 magnets on each side, but this with this Teflon kind of cover to give you a very smooth sliding action right there. Of course, it's magnetic, and this is gonna attract the two parts together. This inlay, let's say, it's just glued in, and it's just gonna stay in place. So this is a slider which works like that, so you can just slide it up and down, you can just rotate it, you can just slide it to the side, you can slide it like that. I mean, you can just play with it, you can just keep it like that and just have it slide with no sound, or you can produce some sound. So I love when you have the option of being obnoxious or just quiet and stealthy, and just play with this in your pocket and just enjoy the haptic feedback that your fingers are gonna receive when you do this movement. That is gonna transfer like through your hand to your spinal cord up to your brain, and it's gonna release some dopamine or some pretty cool hormone that is gonna make you feel good about doing this. It's a weird feeling. It's very hard to describe, but combined to the look, that is pretty cool. I love this wavy pattern. Combined to the feel that you have in the hand when you do this thing, and combined to the sound, for me this is a win-win-win. It's a home run. It's a pretty cool one, and I like it very much. Pretty good look, nice weight. Actually, it's pretty light. Let's quickly check the weight on this fella, but it's good. I mean, sound good, feel good, and looks good, and weighs like 1.09 ounces. So you're gonna pretty much forget about this in your pocket. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.